In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create code blocks in Obsidian. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, you'll need to open Obsidian and navigate to the vault where you want to add your code. Then, either select an existing note or create a new one for practice. Once you have your node open, position your cursor inside the editor where you want your code block to appear. To start a code block, simply type 3 backticks, like this, pod, on a new line. This tells Obsidian that you're about to enter a code snippet. Immediately after those 3 backticks, you can specify the programming language you'll be using. For example, you might type Python pod, JavaScript pod, or HTML to enable syntax highlighting for that specific language. After typing the language name, press enter to move to the next line and prepare to enter your code. Now you can type or paste your code snippet directly into the note. Obsidian is excellent at preserving the formatting, so ensure your code looks just as you intend. You can add as many lines of code as you need. Feel free to include comments or examples to make your code clearer. Once you've finished entering your code, move to a new line below your snippet and type 3 more backticks lie to close the code block. This signals the end of your formatted code section. Now, take a moment to review the formatting. Check that your code is neatly contained within these backticks and that no code is accidentally spilling outside the boundaries. To see how it looks, switch to reading view or preview mode. You should now see your code block beautifully formatted. The real magic is in the syntax highlighting. Confirm that the colors are appearing correctly for the language you specified, and that keywords, variables, and other elements are highlighted as expected. If you need to make any changes, simply return to editing view. You can easily update or correct your code snippet. It's also a great practice to add explanations above your code blocks. You can insert a heading or a simple paragraph to explain what the code does, making your notes much more understandable. Code blocks are incredibly useful for more than just programming languages. You can use them to store terminal commands and scripts, keeping your technical instructions organized and easy to reference. They're also perfect for documentation and tutorials, allowing you to add clear code examples that make your guides easier to follow. Don't hesitate to create multiple code blocks within a single note. Separating different examples into their own blocks helps keep each one focused on a single topic. This is especially helpful when you're organizing long technical notes. Combine these code blocks with headings and lists to dramatically improve readability. Before you finish, always review your content one final time and ensure all your code blocks are properly closed. Finally, remember that you can reuse these code blocks throughout your vault. Add code snippets to project notes, documentation, and study materials to build a well-organized library of technical references. You've now successfully created and formatted code blocks in Obsidian.